All right, so we did that. The next one is going to be number 6, our arms. And I can move around. There's something called the hand tool here. We're going to be using the space bar. It's the same thing as a hand tool. It allows me to kind of move the canvas around. It's just like if you were to move, this was a piece of paper and you'd move around on a desk. Same thing down here. It just kind of helps you move things around if it's zoomed in. So up here, all right, we've got our 3 different objects here. And for this, we're going to use the object selection tool, which is the newest tool. We're going from one of the oldest tools to the newest. It's a really great tool. The one problem with it is you're kind of having the computer figure things out for you. So what you want to do is just basically draw a little marquee box around what you want to select. It's going to think about it for a second, and then it's going to kind of figure things out. So it's going to take a lot of things into consideration when you're working with it. This is asking the computer to be smart, which it isn't always. It does a pretty good job. Hit deselect. You can see it even gets this skeleton hint here, which would be very difficult, but it's not always perfect. So it's not the default. Even though this is going to seem the easiest way, it's a little bit slower than some selections, and it's not always perfect. So don't just go through the entire project and use just the selection. All right, copy, come down here, paste, V, and I'm going to move that arm. By default, it's going to snap things around. You can use these arrow keys to kind of get it positioned the way you want. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so it's a little bit easier to see our creature. All right, left arm done. Close that up.